Hello. So here we are again in our lesson 7, I think. Is that lesson 7? Okay. For lesson 7, sample programs using variables and operators. So here again we have in code blocks, we have the predefined text on your code view. So let's try to add or delete these lines to have our own sample programs using variables. So in order to use variables, you need to declare a variable first. So this is declaring a variable. So in declaring variable, you need two parts. The first part is a predefined word or a keyword in C++. This is your data type. The data type has different forms. First is int, others will be long or double, and others will just be followed on the succeeding topics. The second part of declaring a variable is the name of the variable. So the name will depend on your perception. So on this part, I use the word length. After the word length, the third part would be the terminating symbol, which is the semicolon. So that is how you declare a variable. After declaring the variable, you need to initialize the variable. So in order to initialize the variable, we need to have this line. The variable name followed by an equal sign, or in our case, this is an assignment operator, followed by a value and the terminating symbol. So the concept of the assignment operator or the equal sign is to just transfer everything that is from the right to the left. So whatever the value or anything on the other side or the right side of the equal sign or the assignment operator, this will just be transferred to the left side, which is this variable. The value 7 will be transferred inside the variable length. So that is the initialization of a variable and also operations on variable. So to have a sample, to have an output for that, you just need to have the cout in closing parentheses. This is just the text to be output on your output window, followed by another cout, and don't forget to return 0. So the fourth line is just an output already discussed on the first codes of your C++, which is to just output a text outside of your output window. So the second one, cout, is outputting the value of the variable length. So that if you run the program, okay, so that when you run the program, the word is outputted on your output window with the value 7. On trying to print the value of length. So that is how you um, declare a variable and assign a value in a variable and try to output the value of the variable. Okay.